ya AZIMIO gukorwo magitia mucemanio na Kenya kiharo-ini gia Kamukunji kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kiumia giukite na kugerera ndomiriri nyumba-ini cia mohoro. Ngwataniro ya AZIMIO ni korirwe gitariria kwaga kuingirana na ikinya ria bunge iguru rigie ndereti ya watho wa kigina ukorwo ukihetukio thengia ya uregani wa munene wa Kenya. Na riu ni mataririe ati wa keri kiumia giukite ni mwekuheana mwerekera kana ni makorwo magicokereria mirurungano kana ndigukorwo igicokereria.
If we increase this, Madam Speaker, we shall paralyze our stomachs in Western Province. Madam Speaker, as I talk now, we have farmers in Rift Valley who use tractors to plow their farms. If we increase the fuel, they are watching us now on televisions. I want to give a warning to this House now.
It is important for also the House to know that the government has taken several measures to mitigate the challenge of the increase of the 8%. The escalating dollar has been mitigated.
Ngorani tiganite na iria cionekanire hingo ya kuhitukio kwa ndereti ya watho wa kigina riu ni cionekanite kwarahura urugari mweru wa kiuteti.
The government's commitment is to turn the housing challenge into an economic opportunity to create quality jobs for our over 100,000 young people graduating from TVETs every year, directly in the construction sector and also indirectly through the production of building products.
Guataniro ya AZIMIO la Umoja One Kenya Coalition ni thigatite gucokereria mirurungano-ini muthe wa keri kiumia giukite.
We have decided to invite Kenyans to a consultation at the Kamukunji grounds next Tuesday, the 27th of June at 10 a.m., where the next course of action will be decided.
Mirurungano ino itanyitwo gutetia serikali Ngwataniro ino ni yugite ati undu uyu ni ukuhatiriria na njira nene ya Kenya na makiria riri economy ya bururi ithiite na mbere na gukundera.
The tsunami of taxes.
Matigetia mirurungano ino.
Direct taxation as a means of raising money usually has unintended consequences.
Ni thirikari ya President William Ruto uthimani wa hinya ugitanywo kuonekana gatagati ka thirikari na mung'ethaniro. Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV ria Guchokereria Kwa Mirurungano wa Duati.